we had our fair share of egg tarts. Now we're finally at a place to visit a temple, and it's an Indian temple called the Sri Maha Mariamman Temple. So this temple has been around for approximately 150 years, and it's one of the oldest and wealthiest temples in Malaysia. Okay, so there's three main focal points to this temple that you should watch out for. Number one, the structure of the temple is known to be shaped like a body. Number two, there's actually a total of 7 shrines inside of the temple that's decorated beautifully with murals as well as frescoes. So these shrines are actually dedicated to Lord Ganesha and Lord Muruga. So the last focal point is a giant silver chariot. And in conjunction to Thaipusam, they would actually carry Lord Muruga on the silver chariot all the way to Batu Caves. So can you imagine from this place to Batu Caves? It's pretty far. So that's the 3 points of this temple. We're allowed to go in, so let's go check it out.